What's up, YouTube? It's Joel with your stimulus check and news update. President Biden has signed some changes and a big boost for seniors that is coming in a matter of days. The biggest change beneficiaries will see in Social Security in 2022 is the 5.9% cost of living adjustment to monthly retirement checks as well as supplemental security income checks. But the increase is the largest living adjustment since 1982. But that's not all. Lawmakers are working on an additional increase in benefits and monthly payouts. The Social Security 2100 Act is being worked on to bring a 2% overall increase to those on Social Security, SSI, SSDI, VA, and Railroad. The cost of living adjustment will boost the average retirement check by $92 to $1,657 a month. The maximum monthly benefit for a worker who retired at a full retirement age will jump by $197 to $3,345. SSI checks for those with limited incomes and little financial resources will get an increase as well. The maximum monthly SSI payment in 2022 will be $841 for an individual. This will be up $47 from 2021 and $1,261 for a couple, up $70 from the previous year. These will be the estimated average monthly Social Security benefits that will be payable in January of 2022. For all retired workers, they will be going from $1,565 to $1,657. If you're an aged couple, both receiving benefits, it will go from $2,599 to $2,753. For widowed mother and 2 children, it will go from $3,009 to $3,187. For aged widower alone, it will go from $1,467 to $1,553. For disabled workers, spouses, and 1 or more children, it will go from $2,250 to $2,383. For all disabled workers, it will go from $1,282 to $1,358. Now, although the 2022 increase is a huge increase, most beneficiaries won't see the full amount in their checks because their Medicare Part B premiums are deducted directly from most Social Security retirement payments. And due to inflation and because the 2021 Part B increase was limited by Congress, Medicare Part B premiums will jump to $170.10 for 2022. This will be an increase from the previous amount of $148.50 in 2021. Now, concerning the Social Security 2100 Act, this is the main points that beneficiaries can expect. A tax cut for over 10 million Social Security recipients by raising the threshold on taxation of benefits. A benefit bump beginning in 2018 for current and new beneficiaries. Protection for low-income workers by raising the minimum benefit from below the poverty line to 25% above the poverty line. Long-term protection against inflation for cost of living adjustments by adopting the CPI-E formula. Social Security remains the single most reliable program for middle-class Americans and is expected to pay full benefits over the next 2 decades with common sense steps like those in the Social Security 2100 Act. Congress can boost this vital program now and ensure Social Security remains strong well into the future. To sign up for services, President Biden has signed orders to streamline the application process for Social Security and allow people to apply online without having to visit a Social Security office. President Biden stated at the signing of an executive order, for millions of people who retire each year, you should be able to apply for Social Security benefits without needing to go to a Social Security office. So that is your newest update for Social Security. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on all stimulus and economic news that affects you. This is Joel with True Life Investing. Until next time, peace out.